Hola. Good morning, here we are today. We're gonna be doing a one-day ride in Goethe State Forest. I'm here with my buddy Tracy. Say hi, Tracy.
Hi, Tracy.
So we're gonna be riding through the trails in Goethe State Forest today. Mostly gonna be a hard-packed dirt. We're probably gonna be doing some cross trails that might be a little bit more rugged, but we'll see. I don't know what all the trails are like on this route, but we'll see how it goes. So I was just informed by Tracy that we have to watch out for Bigfoot. So as I'm filming, make sure, or as you're watching this video, make sure you're watching for Bigfoot in case we miss it. Alright, turns out we're in hunting season and not wearing the right colors, so we are going to cut our ride short and head back to the trucks now. We're a few miles away from it yet, but hopefully our helmets stop any bullets from hitting us. Hey.
How you doing?
You guys want to give us a ride back to Big Cypress?
Take this road to the South Angle Road. Take a right.
Take a right? Okay.
Yeah, you'll see this tree, the sign that says South Angle Road.
Okay.
Take that right and you go through there and you'll pop out. You take a left and you'll end up at the Big Cypress tree.
Yeah, we're just trying to get back as fast as we can before you guys shoot us.
We won't do that.
If you hear trucks coming, get to the side because they'll be coming.
Yep,
okay.
Yep. That's the dogs are bringing the deer to the road, and when you guys show up, we can't shoot down the road.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Thank you.